everyone, welcome back to my channel SJR Comtech. Today I am with new topic, that is AND gate, in which we are going to see some points like what is operation of the AND gate, then symbol, Boolean expression, truth table, then circuit diagram of the AND gate by using the switches, and at last we will see how to draw the timing diagram for the AND gate. But before going into the detail of the AND gate, just let me tell you what is gate. Gate is a basic building block which is used to design any digital circuit. So if we don't have any gate, we are not able to design any digital circuit. So gate is a basic building block which may take one or more than one inputs, but always it gives single output. So today's my topic is AND gate. So this AND gate is used for taking the multiplication of its input. So AND gate take two or more than two inputs and gives one output. But in today's video, I am going to consider AND gate which accept only two inputs. So the first important thing is that operation of the AND gate, it is used to take the logical multiplication of inputs. This is the operation of the AND gate. Next, we are going to see what is symbol of the AND gate. This is the symbol of the AND gate, and here to the left side we have to show the input lines, and to the right side we have to show the output line. As I told you, it gives single output. It is represented by using the variable y. And today I am going to consider the AND gate which accept two input. So I draw two input lines. Suppose first input is represented by using the variable a and second one is b. So this is the symbol of the AND gate. Now remember, actually whenever we are using the AND gate to design any digital circuit, internally those gates are present as a circuit which may use the switches, or those circuit may use the transistor or diode. So this is the very simple symbol. This is not circuit. Now the next one is Boolean expression. First let me tell you what is Boolean expression. Boolean expression is the expression which tells you about the relationship between the inputs and the output, or it tells how to find out the input by using the provided inputs to the particular gate. So here the Boolean expression of AND gate is y equal to a dot b. Why this is so a dot b? Because this AND gate is used to take the logical multiplication of the inputs. Which inputs are present here? Two inputs, a and b. So it will take the multiplication of a and b, and this dot represents the multiplication. Or we can write it as directly only AB also. Any symbol is not present in between the A and B. So it represents by default, this is the multiplication of A and B. So this is the Boolean expression of the AND gate which we can use to find out the output Y. Now the next one is truth table. What is truth table? Truth table tells us all the values of the input, or all the possibilities of the input and the corresponding output. Now here only two inputs are there. So as two inputs are there are four possibilities of the input. Two input A and B. So what are the possibilities of the values of A and B? There are four possibilities. So there is shortcut way to write it like this: 0, 1, 0, 1. Then write 0, 0, 1. Why? Because you know the weighted value of the binary number system, to the rightmost it is 1, and here for the next it is 2. So remember, as here weighted value is 1, write 0, 1, 0, 1. Here weighted value is 2, so write 0, 0, 1 like this. So there are four possibilities. First possibility of the input is A can be 0 and B can be 0. Next possibility is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Next one is A equal to 1, B equal to 0. And the last one is A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. But remember, these are the possibilities of the input values. But at a time we can provide only one input possibilities. That means A equal to 0, B equal to 0, and then see what is output. Like this. We cannot provide all the possibilities at a time to the AND gate or to any gate. Now next, by using these input values, I have to find out output. So to find out the output, obviously I need to have the Boolean expression also. So y equal to AB, that it indicates it is going to take the multiplication of the input values. Now find out the first output value where A is equal to 0, B equal to 0. So here I will write A, B, the value of A is 0, value of B is 0. So 0 into 0, the result is 0. That means what? Whenever the value of A is 0 and the value of B is 0, the output is 0. Next, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So again the output will be 0. Now see the third combination where the input A is 1 and B is 0. So input A is 1 and B is 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. So again for this input combination also output will be 0. Now see the last combination of the input. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. So put the value of A and B in the Boolean expression. 1 into 1. Output is 1. Now you can see the truth table of the AND gate. Here the output is 1 only when all the inputs are 1. So this is the thing that you can remember, very important about the AND gate. It is used for the logical multiplication and its output is 1 if all the inputs are 1. It doesn't matter how many input AND gate is there. All inputs are 1, then and then only the output of the AND gate is going to be 1. So this is the truth table which tells us about the input combinations and the output value for each input combination. Now the next we are going to see the circuit diagram by using the switches for the AND gate. You can see this diagram, two switches are there, voltage is provided and as well as one bulb is there in this diagram. Now see, two switches are there in the diagram. I have shown these two switches are open. Open means what? When these switches are open, this current will not flow through the bulb. If the current will not flow through the bulb, bulb will not glow. So the first thing, when S1 is open, that means its value is 0. S2 is also open, that means again current will not flow through the S2 also. So again its value is also 0. So bulb current is not going to flow through the S1 and S2, that means it will not flow through this bulb also. So bulb will not glow. So the output is 0. Okay. Now next we will see if S1 is closed. Closed means what? Current will pass through the S1. So for the close we represent it as 1. Okay. S1 is closed but S2 is open. S2 is open. That means current will not flow through this. So its value is 0. So as the current is not passing through the S2, bulb will not again glow. So again output is 0. Next, I will consider the third combination where S1 is open. So current will not pass. Current will not pass means its value is 0. Now I will close the switch S2. Now as S2 is closed, current can pass through the S2, but current is not coming to the S2. So obviously this bulb is not going to glow. So S2 is 0, bulb will not glow. Again S2 is closed. Current can pass through it, but the current is not coming to the S2 now. So current will not pass through the S2 also, even though it is closed, and that's why this bulb is not glowing. So the result is 0. Now I will consider the last combination where this S2 is closed close means what? We have to show it like this. Okay. So current will pass through S1. Second, S2. Again consider this S2 is also closed. So close means current will pass. So values are 1, 1. Now see, current will pass through S1 as well as S2. So obviously it will pass through this bulb also. That means this bulb will glow. Glow means what? Output is high. That is 1. So you have to remember the values like open, switches are open and output is low. That is 0. Switches are closed and the output is high. It means the value is 1. Now you can see, you can compare this truth table with this table. S1, S2, the values are 0, 0. So the output is 0. Next combination is 1, 0. Output is 0. Okay, here third combination is there. 1, 0. Output is 0. Next combination 0, 1. Output is 0. Yes, the input combination 0. Output is 0. When I am getting the output as 1, when both the switches are closed. So the inputs are 1, 1. So the output is 1. You can compare in this truth table. So this is how we can show the circuit diagram by using two switches to represent the AND gate. Now last we are going to see how to draw the timing diagram of the AND gate. So timing diagram, what does it mean? What it represents? It represents the different time cycles, and in those time cycle what will be the value of inputs and what would be the output for the corresponding input combination. So how many input combinations do we have? We have the 4 input combinations. So here I have drawn the 4 time cycles. First is represented by using the T1, second T2, third T3 and fourth one is T4. So during the T1 I will represent the first input combination. Suppose I am going to provide the first input combination to the AND gate. So here the value of A is 0, B is also 0, A is 0, here I will write the value, B is also 0. So when A is 0 and B is 0, what is value of Y? Again it is also 0. Okay, now see the next input combination which I am going to provide during the next time cycle, that is T2. Here the value of A is equal to 0 and the value of B is equal to 1. It is 0, so continue. The value of B is 1, so draw like this. High, this is low, this is high. Next, when the input combination is 0 and 1, 0 and 1, what is output? 0. You can see here also, when input combination is 0 and 1, output is 0. Previously also it was 0 only. So continue this same line. Now the next, see the third input combination, A is equal to 1 and B equal to 0. A equal to 1, previously the A was 0. Now make it 1, and previously in the last time cycle B is equal to 1, but now it is B equal to 0. Show like this, it is 0. Now when A is equal to 1 and B equal to 0, what is output? Again output is 0. Previously also output was 0 only. So continue this same line. Now see the next. Last input combination, A equal to 1, B equal to 1 and the output is also 1. Now here previously also output was 1. So continue 1. Here it was 0. Now make it 1. Now see, both of the inputs are 1. So the output of the AND gate is 1. So this is how we can draw the timing diagram for the AND gate. Here I am considering only two input AND gate. Very soon I will upload the video regarding the multiple input AND gate also, and in which I will cover all these points, that is operation, symbol, Boolean expression, truth table and timing diagram, as well as the multiple input AND gate by using the switches. Yet if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification of my next uploaded videos, and please don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.